Another offshoot of the Royal Aircraft establishment is on the Welsh coast in the shadow of Snowdon. Here they fly a very curious little aircraft. It's the Jindivik, a pilotless radio-controlled target plane. It's built in Australia, and the strange name is Aborigine for the hunted one. As it is towed to the takeoff point, the crew who are going to fly it make their way in the opposite direction. The takeoff trolley is placed accurately in position. The ground staff start their checkout as the flight crew arrive at the control center. In the flight control room, every detail of the aircraft's condition is relayed to the crew by radio telemetry.
Telemetry okay. Let me know when you're ready, flight.
Okay, Skipper. Okay to connect fuel lines. Roger. Fuel connected, Skipper. Electric's okay. Permission to start engine.
You're to control. Okay to start engine.
Okay to start engine. Roger. Engine running. Telemetry normal.
Revs 5.
Until the plane is airborne, it is guided visually down the runway by a pilot who remotely controls gyro steering in the takeoff trolley.
Stand by for takeoff.
Revs 12.5. Driving. All okay, sir. 50 knots. 75. 100. 125. 150. You have a Skipper. Bearing 250.
Roger, 250.
These aerials transmit commands to the aircraft and receive the telemetry information which is displayed to the flight crew.
Now 350 knots. Let me know when she's in visual contact.
Should anything go wrong during the flight, the Jindivik can be instantly destroyed to prevent it crashing into a populated area. And so back over the holidaymakers and the caravan sites. Jindivik has no wheels. It lands on a hydraulic skid on a specially toughened runway.